In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change products on TurboTax. If you need to switch your current TurboTax product to a different option, the process is very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly what to expect so you can make the change quickly and avoid confusion. To begin, go to your TurboTax account and open the return you're currently working on. Once you're inside the product interface, look for the option labeled Switch Products. This is the key setting that lets you move from one TurboTax version to another. Go ahead and click on Switch Products to continue. After you select that option, TurboTax will show you the available change options for your account. In many cases, what you'll see here is a downgrade option. That means the system is giving you the ability to move to a lower tier product, depending on the features you currently have selected and what your tax situation allows. If you do see a downgrade option, that means you're currently on a paid or higher level plan and TurboTax is allowing you to switch to a simpler product. Review the screen carefully before making any final decision so you understand what features may change when you move to a different version. If you don't see a downgrade option at this stage, that usually means you're already on the free plan. In other words, there may not be a lower product available to switch to. This is normal, so there's no need to worry if the screen looks different from what you expected. One helpful tip here is to pause for a moment and read the product details shown on the page. TurboTax may display information about what is included in each version, and that can help you decide whether changing products makes sense for your specific filing needs. If you're trying to reduce costs, checking whether your current return qualifies for the free plan can be especially useful. That's really all there is to it. The main thing you need to do is click Switch Products and then check whether TurboTax offers you a downgrade. If it does, you can review that option and continue based on what works best for you. If it doesn't, you're most likely already using the free version. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you change products on TurboTax with confidence.